Hey guys, Ben at Cooper and Bimmer Experts in Irwindale, California here. Just want to show you something that's been useful to me. Sometimes we'll get a car in that nothing happens when you put the key in. You'll put the key in the receptacle here and you go to start it and nothing happens on the display. So I'm trying to start it here. Nothing's happening. Back and forth, nothing. So what you can do, if you have a second key or a different mini key, you can put it in and try to start it with that one. Sometimes it takes a little second. But if it comes up that the wrong key is in the ignition, that means everything else in the system is working okay. And now basically you just need a key. It's not something else. It's not the starter. It's not the battery. It's not a module. You need a key. So pull the extra one out, put the other one in. And I've seen where people will go to dinner and come back out and the key's just dead. If you're in this type of situation, you can pull the cover off of the gear shifter, and you see that little yellow eyelet right there on the right side of the stick? That will release the gear shifter so you can put the car in neutral. Now, this thing is very delicate. More times than not, people go in there with a little pick or something and they pull and they rip that little yellow eyelet off, and then you won't be able to put the car into neutral. So if you're in this situation and you pull it up and you have one of these, a lot of cars don't have them because people have already ripped them off. You just have to be so delicate with it. Just lift it up just so much and then pull back on the gear shifter so it goes into neutral. I cannot emphasize that enough, how delicate this is, because it'll rip off. I've seen so many tow truck drivers just pull on it and it rips off and then you're stuck. That's an alternative to get your car into neutral. Make sure you have the emergency brake on so that the car doesn't roll when you do that. If you don't have this little eyelet, you can pop the hood, and I'm going to show you an alternative how to put the car into neutral. This happens to be a Mini Cooper Countryman that we're doing this key for. So I'm taking the intake charge pipe off. It goes to the air filter to give me more room so I can get in and loosen that 13mm nut. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 13mm and I'm going to loosen the nut that tightens up against the shifter cable. So we can follow that down. Shifter cable's right there. Loosen it. Now you only have to break it loose, like a half a turn. That's all you need. And then you can take the lever that the shifter cable is on, move it 2 clicks forward, that's towards the front of the car, and you should be in neutral. And remember, have your emergency brake on because we don't want the car to run you over. It'll be in neutral, you can get it towed to the nearest workshop, and then they can properly diagnose if you need a key or not. I hope this helps. So if you ever come across your Mini and it's not giving you any lighting up on the dash or everything, and they check the battery and the battery's good, I hope this helps you to diagnose to see if you need a key or not. So, hope you enjoy this tech tip. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, thank you for watching. Check out our other videos, and if you have any questions about Mini Coopers or BMWs, ask in the comments below.